Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Kaya. Today's topic is clinical trial protocol, in which clinical study on human subject according to the all guidelines to form a ideal protocol and requirement to conduct clinical trial with a very efficient way, mainly considering to India and ICS associated country. The protocol is a document that describes how a clinical trial will be conducted, the objectives, designs, methodologies, statistical consideration, and organization of a clinical trial, and ensures the safety of the trial subject and integrity of the data collected. There are several types of clinical trials protocol, including treatment trials, prevention trials, screening trials, supportive trials, palliative trial, care trial, and natural history studies. There is a what are the clinical protocols? Clinical protocols are basically rules of how to proceed in a certain situations. They provide healthcare practitioners with parameters in which to operate. The term code of a practice may be used synonymously with the clinical protocols. A code comprises a set of laws or rules. Where are protocols in clinical trial? There is a trial registers protocol. These are clinical trials government registry and result database of trials around the world. Current control trials, ICTRP search portal, UV clinical trials register, that is European clinical trials register. Trial register of promoting health interventions. There is a what is the purpose of clinical trials? There is a different purpose of a clinical trial protocol. The use of clinical protocols allows healthcare providers of offer opportunity diagnostic treatment and care services to patient. Variance reports to purchasers and quality training to clinical staff. There is a clinical protocols practices guidelines are systematically developed statement. Assist a clinician decision making appropriate care for specific clinical circumstances. Standard orders are diagnostic and therapeutic interventions to be considered for specific patient population. And every clinical investigation begins with the development of a clinical protocol. The protocol is a document that describes how clinical trial will be conducted, or a research protocol is a document that describes the background, rationale, objectives, designs, methodology. There is the different guidelines. A protocol should be included in the following topics, that is title page, in which title page there is a general information are there, background information, objectives, purpose, study design, selection and exclusion of a subjects, treatment of a subject, assessment of efficacy, assessment of a safety, adverse event, discontinuation of the study, statistics, quality control and assurance, ethics, data handling and record keeping, publication policy, project timetable, flowchart, references, supplements and appendix. These are the guidelines or term are used. The NIH provides many resources for protocol development to assist investigator is writing and developing clinical research protocols that are in compliance with the regulatory GCP requirements. Some NIH institute have a mandatory requirement for using their protocol templates. For more information on protocol resource at UCSF, and for a video with the information about protocol development. There is a sample protocol templates and resource. There is a protocol development assistance covering a wide range of therapeutic areas is available for cancer research protocol templates and additional guidance. There is the protocol template is a tool to help facilitate the development protocol for retrospective chart reviews. Thank you.